Hello and welcome to week 11 of English 1, 11 online. Yay, exciting stuff. Hope everyone's doing well. So for this week, we are finishing up the rough draft of paper 2. How exciting is that? Yay. So the goals for this week are there is some mind tap reading that will help you with that. So we've worked on the beginning parts of this. Now we're going to work on the conclusion. You're going to work on the conclusion of paper 2. With your conclusion completed, you'll have a full rough draft of paper 2 done. Yay. And then you're going to submit it in 2 different places. So that's what's going on. So what does it do? Well, you're going to watch the video for week 11, which you're doing right now. The mind tap rating for this week is chapter 4. It's just beginning and ending. So again, since you have to write the conclusion this week, this will just help you with writing your conclusion, and it'll also help you figure out if you need to make any changes to the beginning of your paper, the introduction part. So that's there. There is no assignments in Mind Tap this week. There's just the reading. Okay, but these readings right here will help you with specifically completing the conclusion for your paper. Now, once again, once you've completed the conclusion for your paper, then you're going to submit the full rough draft right here. All right. So I can look over it, give you feedback on what you need to fix, what you need to focus on as far as the final, before you do the final revision. So you submit it here. In addition, you're going to upload it in here. So you're going to upload it here and upload it here. So for the discussion board, this is for me to give you feedback. This is for 2 of your peers, your classmates, to give you feedback. So again, each student will upload the rough draft here, okay, for the discussion. Each student will read 2 of the papers. Okay. Each student will give feedback to the papers they've read based on the feedback guide, which is down here. I'll show you that in a second. The first review should be to a student who has not been reviewed, so I don't want like everyone reviewing just one student. I want everyone to get reviewed at least once. No more than 2 revisions should be done on each student. Okay, so if someone's already got 2 done, then don't do it. Give them, don't review their paper anymore. And if a student does a review on a paper which already has 2 responses, that does not count towards the grade. So you get graded for reviewing 2 other people's papers. Now, as far as, I'll start loading this up here, the peer review sheet. So it's not a matter of, hey, yeah, great paper, nicely done. No, there's some specific things that we're going to be looking at. I'm loading it up. It'll pop up here in just a second. That we want to be able to use to help other students. Now, again, like anything in life, you get out of it what you put into it. So going to load. There it is. So when you go and you read other people's papers, then you're going to look at this guide, which is right here. Ta-da! And there's like 12 questions that you're going to answer. Okay? And then again, does it have a title? Does it have a thesis statement? Is introduction? Blah, 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 blah. So this is basically the same stuff that I'm looking for when I'm going to be doing the feedback. This will help you 2 different ways. It'll help the other student figure out what they need to fix on their paper. Also, by reviewing somebody else's paper, you will see things that you can improve on your own paper. So it's, again, a win-win. So you help somebody, and then in turn it helps you. So these are the things we're looking for in this peer review here. So once again, with love, read the Mind Tap reading. Submit the full rough draft of paper 2 into 2 places. 2 places. Here for me to review, and here for other people to review. Once they're posted here, then you can look at other people's papers. You're going to review 2 other people's papers using this peer review sheet. That's how you're going to do it. And you get graded on your discussion board if you review 2 other people based on the review sheet. Okay? Again, here are the deadlines up here, and you have until the 5th to complete the peer review feedback. So there's that. So peeking ahead next week, you're going to get a chance to finish the peer reviews, and you get to work on the final draft of paper 2. And then, peeking ahead to week 13, your paper 2 here, it's actually not due until April 12th. So you have plenty of time to get feedback and to get all the help you need to make sure that paper 2 is as good as it can possibly be, because it is worth a lot of points in this class. So there you go. That's week 11. And now just go do the work. Yay!